Setting up voicemail on your Android phone is easy, but it's important to understand that voicemail is mostly carrier controlled, so the whole thing is controlled by your phone carrier rather than your phone. To set up voicemail, go to the phone app, and then from the bottom, go to the keypad. Tap these three dots and choose voicemail. This will open up a phone call to your carrier's voicemail service, and it will walk you through the process. You'll create a voicemail PIN code for yourself, you can record your name, and also record your voicemail greeting. Voicemail setup depends on your mobile carrier, so the steps during the phone call can vary depending on which carrier you're using. It's also worth mentioning that the menus and settings on Android phones always look a little different depending on which phone model you're using. But even if your menus look slightly different, the process to set up voicemail is still the same. Once you're done setting up your voicemail, you can access your inbox by going to the phone app and pressing and holding the number 1. This opens your inbox where you can listen to all your messages, and that's voicemail on Android phones. Click that like button if this helped you and subscribe to get easy access to hundreds of quick guides like this. Thanks all. I'll hope to see you in another video.